Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up conversion tracking for Google Ads. So to set up conversion tracking for Google Ads, go to Google Ads and on the left side, select goals and summary. So you can see some options here. Now just click one, so you can see the how many conversions you already have tracked on this account. So to set up the new conversion, just click one new conversion action. Now we want to track conversion for lead generation or form submission. So there are some options like website, apps, phone calls, and you can also track the conversion or leads from manually or from any Excel or Google Sheets. So just we would like to set up conversion tracking for form submission. For that, just click on website, and here just we have to put our website link. So this is our website link. Okay, just we are putting the website link here. Okay, just scan the website. Conversion, just add a conversion action manually. So it would be better for us to track the conversion with our choice. Just goal and acquisition optimization, action optimization. Just what do we want to track? Just here, this form, submit lead form. Okay, submit lead form. Or contact, we can submit the contact. Just lead form is better for us. The conversion name. Form submission. And for this, we don't want to count the value, okay? Just count every recommend for leads, signups, and because only the first introduction is valuable. So this one. Okay. So click through conversion window. Click through conversion window means 30 days. So conversion can happen days after someone interact with your ad. Suppose someone see your ads or interact with your ads, and at the first interaction, he or she didn't submit the form. But after 30 days, he or she submit the form. But this process, this function says us that if we select the 30 days, then after seeing or interacting with an ad, after 30 days, if he or she submit the form, then it will count a lead that comes from Google Ads. But we just select here it for 1 week. Okay. Engaged view conversion window. Select how long track conversion after a video engagement. So view through conversion rate 1, data driven, it's just selected data driven, or we can select here no longer available, first click or last click. So someone submit the lead forms. Okay, so what should we count? His or her first click or last click? So there is a data-driven recommendation, but always recommendable is last click gives the credit the conversion to the last click ad. So we think I think this is good. And enhance conversion for this account conversion action created manually need to be added to your website code. Okay, so we will add that. So our process is done, literally done. So now we just click it done. Is there anything else? Okay, so I don't want to. We don't want to drag and values here. Just done it. So our conversion is ready. So we want to continue this. Okay, set up the conversion manually. So if we want to set up the conversion manually, then we need to, there are some options for track the conversion, set up with Google Tag. So we can use Google Tag, like, so it's connected through Google Analytics, okay, but if we want to set up it manually, then it will just, here is the option. So to set up it, just we have to go to the Google Tag Manager and then create a tag for the conversion. Just create a new tag and name the tag. Tracking. Okay. That configuration Google Ads. Google Ads. Whereas conversion tracking Google Ads. Call home website Google Ads already. So there are some options. Just we click the Google Ads conversion tracking. So conversion tracking, there are some attributes like conversion ID, conversion level, conversion value, transaction ID, currency code. So currently we do not need currency code, but we have the information here. That's conversion ID is this. We select it and this conversion ID, conversion level. Copy it and just trigger it. So when we want to trigger it, it's not for all pages. It's only for contact form trigger. Just we already created a conversion contact form trigger. So just click on the trigger contact form trigger. Just we just indicating the contact form trigger that we already created on Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is all. It's completely set up conversion link at tag missing. So we create a conversion tracking tag on Google Tag Manager with Google Ads. So we should create a conversion linker. That's conversion linker tag, which is missing, but that is mandatory for Google Ads conversion tracking. So we need to now we need to create the tag for that. Just conversion linker. Google Ads conversion linker. Tier all pages. All pages because we are not just track the contact from submission, but there are some other portions like phone call tracking, website visits, some other conversions here. So for that, just we select all pages for the conversion linker. Just okay, just submit it. Now we need to check that for contact from and everything is working properly or not. That tag we set up. Okay, here is showing this tag is inactive. Inactive means there is no activity on this tag. So if you can see the changes like inactive and actions, troubleshoots, all conversions. So conversion action from submission, action optimization, primary, conversion source website, all conversion. So we'll see how many conversions we get from our ads. So it will show here conversion value. So we didn't set up conversion value, so we do not need conversion value, status, inactive, action, troubleshoot. So debug it, like test it, and then it might get the result and reactive the tag on Google Ads. Let's go to the preview mode. Okay, just copy it, connect. It's connected and container loaded. Text not to text file, Google text file, Google base code, conversion linker. Okay, so these tags are working. Where is the debug mode? Okay, auto quotation. Is working. Now full name. Okay, so submit the form. Form submission is okay. So now, okay, here's from submission tracking is fired. That means that from submission is working perfectly. One time. Contact form submission. Okay, it's working perfectly. So once we get leads, we can see the leads on everywhere, like Google Ads, like here. Like for let's go to events. So like this contact from submission. Okay, thank you so much for watching these videos, and for more videos like this, subscribe the channel and stay with this channel. Stay with me. Thank you so much.